Yo, what's up, everybody? DB right here in the street somewhere in Ogun State. I want you to meet a great next superstar here from Nigeria to the world. We'll be meeting him shortly. What's your name, brother?
My name is Adegoke Anoluapo, aka Lizeng.
AKA Lizink. He's going to tell us if he's an artist or he's just a random music lover. Are you an artist?
Yeah, I'm an upcoming artist.
So, what kind of song do you play?
I play hip hop, Afrobeat.
Um, would you like to tell me your favorite artist? Somebody you like so much, somebody that motivates you in the music industry.
Yeah, Wizkid.
This guy say he loves Starboy Wheezy. Tell us why you like Wheezy.
I love Wizkid from the start. I love his style of singing. I love everything about him. His dressing, his dripping, his outing, his the way he help people and everything. So I just want to be like him.
Wizzy FC right here +1. So Wheezy, wherever you are, if you are watching, you know, he looks like you, Wheezy. Man, this is Wicky's brother. So Wheezy, wherever you are, you need to watch out for this guy. Tell Wheezy how much you love him.
I love him. I love everything about him. I love him with everything. I can do anything to listen to his music.
That's incredible. Would you like to give me just little out of Wheezy's style and your own style?
The song is sung with Irasta. Ṣòrí nonsense, má gbé súnmọ́ mi. Má gbé súnmọ́ mi. Ṣòrí nonsense, má gbé súnmọ́ mi.
I love that. Say, má gbé súnmọ́ mi, boy. Mi gbé súnmọ́ mi báyìí. Because mo ní láti gbé súnmọ́ so that we can hear what it's all about. So Wizkid FC +1 now. You have super fans right here and he's musician as well. So wherever Wizkid is, you have to push this. Let Wizkid get to know this guy so that Wizkid can invite him to his stage, whether in London, whether in America, whether Nigeria. Well, we will manage Nigeria. Would you like to be on the same stage with Wizkid?
That would be my favorite dream.
Wow, he said it's going to be his favorite dream. Wizkid, let this happen because we know you as Wizzy Baba. Abi now, Starboy Wizzy Baba. So this man right here will be giving us just little that the viewers can take home, so that you get to know him and you get to know his music. Please just give us small out of what you are cooking. I know you are cooking something. You told me you are cooking something. Just if it's Wizzy style or Wizzy song, but I know you have something you are cooking. Let's give you mic and have the floor, man. Have the floor. Just give the audience something.
Like he said, ṣòrí nonsense, má gbé súnmọ́ mi. Má gbé súnmọ́ mi. Ṣòrí nonsense, má gbé súnmọ́ mi. Má gbé súnmọ́ mi. If we got a problem, má gbé súnmọ́ mi. Who know the guy, no they belong. Yeah. Keep your bad energy gone. Who know the guy, no they belong.
Thank you so much. Thanks so much. That's the wrap up for today. Say your name again.
Lizeng.
Lizink here on DBTV. Watch out, everybody. Until we come your way again. Sign out. Thank you.